How to use a promo code on Agoda. Let's get started. Launch Agoda app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now you can go ahead and book your flight, hotel, or the buses. So I'm gonna book a room. Just select the room. Go through all the details of the room. Then you can click on See All Rooms. Select the one that you wanna book. Then you can click on Add to Cart. Click on Proceed to Cart. Once you're on the cart page, here you're gonna find all of your bookings. Now you can proceed to checkout. So click on Next. Now in this page, you're gonna find all the details for your booking. Likewise, you will need to select your payment method. And also you'll find the option of codes over here. You will need to paste the code and then proceed to checkout. With that, the code will be redeemed and you'll get the discount. Likewise, another way is you can head back. Navigate to the More page. Now click on the option of coupons. Now at the top you'll see the option of enter coupon code. Over here you can type in the coupon code that you want to redeem and click on add. So this way you can easily use your promo code on Agoda. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.